Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tacos right in your own kitchen. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground beef, 8 to 12 corn or flour tortillas, and your favorite taco seasoning. Don't forget fresh toppings like lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese to complete your perfect taco experience. It's simpler than you think. Now let's get cooking. Place 1 pound of ground beef into a skillet over medium heat. Cook it thoroughly until it's nicely browned, then drain any excess fat. Next, add about 2/3 of a cup of water and 1 packet of your chosen taco seasoning mix. Stir everything together well and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to truly develop. While your meat filling simmers, it's the perfect time to prepare your tortillas and toppings. You can warm your 8 to 12 tortillas in a dry skillet for about 30 seconds per side or quickly in the microwave. Then, get creative with your toppings. Shred some lettuce, dice fresh tomatoes, grate cheese, and have some salsa and sour cream ready. Customization is key for a great taco. Finally, the best part, assembly. Take a warm tortilla and spoon in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your delicious seasoned ground beef. Now, pile on your favorite toppings. Whether it's crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, or a sprinkle of cheese, make it your own. Serve these fantastic homemade tacos immediately and savor every single bite. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.